Okay, follow me, let's go. It's very simple. Locate your CapCut. Okay, this is my CapCut. Click on it. Now it will open. Now you click on the new project. Now you find the video that you want to edit. You want to add the funny sound. Okay, let me use this fine girl. Okay, you click on the video that you want to add. Now from the CapCut, now you click on audio. This is your audio. Now you enter extract. This extract. Now you find the sound, all those funny sounds that you have already saved in your phone. Now, okay, look at where I saved some of my sounds. Now you click the sound, you play the sound to know if it's the exit you want to play to add. Okay, now click add. Okay, this is it. Very simple. Now, if you want to increase the volume of the sound, you click on the sound, you click on the volume, you highlight to. Okay, this is it. That is it, has finished. So guys, in case if you are crossing my video for the first time, please give me a follow, like, comment and share, so that any moment I drop video, you can easily watch the video. And if you have any problem of editing, any other editing problem, you can still comment so that I can make video on that and post. Thank you. One love.